Hey kids, they come into the world every day. Well, for some couples, it's a little easier than for other couples to bring kids into existence. And that brings us to this week's case. It involves a couple up in Maine. They wanted to have a child, but unfortunately, after years of trialing, they weren't able to do so. So they said, we'll go with in vitro fertilization. That's what they did. She contributed her egg, he contributed his sperm, the egg was fertilized and then implanted in a woman who had agreed to be a surrogate mother, a woman who said she would carry the child for 9 months and bring it to term and give birth on their behalf. Well, everything went according to plan up until the child was born. When the child was born, the woman who actually gave birth had her name and the name of her husband placed as the parents of the child on the birth certificate. Couple that had arranged all this said, no, that's not the deal we want. That's not the deal we want. You'd agreed to carry this to term and it was our child. Well, they went to court. They petitioned the court for a couple of things. They said, one, we want to have this child as our child. We want to be the parents. We want to have care, custody, and control of this child. The court said, you know what? Under the agreements you had with the surrogate mother and everything, I can do that. They also said, we want to be declared as the parents of the child. Mom wants to be declared as the mom. Dad wants to be declared as the dad. Judge looked at that and said, well, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can declare dad as the parent of the child under the paternity statutes that exist in Maine, but I can't declare mom as the child because we don't have any statutes in Maine that deal with maternity. We only have paternity. It only deals with the guys. Well, the couple wasn't happy with this. They were very sad. They went forward with the case. They appealed it all the way up to the Maine Supreme Court. There the court looked at it and they said, well, here's what we've got. We've got a statute that on the title of the statute says it is a paternity statute. But when we read the statute, actually get into the statute and read it pretty closely, it doesn't designate men or women. It just says that the court has the ability to declare who is the natural parent of the child. In view of that, and in view of the way in which the statute is written, in the actual manner it's written, we declare that it is possible in Maine, utilizing our paternity statute, to find a mother as being the mother of a child in this instance, and therefore determining what the maternity should be. Okay, couple was very pleased with this. But what does it say to us? What do we learn from this? Well, what we learn from this case is a very important thing, and that is that sometimes there will exist statutes which were designed for one purpose, as in this instance, it was designed to declare paternity. In short, who's the guy that is the father of the child? But it is written in such a way that when you really get into it and carefully analyze it, it can also be utilized to declare who the mother of the child was. What can happen? Well, a court, in basically very carefully analyzing a statute, can apply that statute to circumstances never contemplated by the legislature that wrote that bill, that made that law. And in so doing, the law is alive and it can be utilized in instances which had never been anticipated, and it can be used for good and some people will say for bad. But long story short, therein lies the importance of having an independent judiciary that can look at the law and make a decision that applies to a specific case and can make the law live. I'm David Allen. We bring you these cases every week so you understand how the law works.